Yeah, morning guys. Have any queries? Yeah, Shivani, you sent one assignment, right? In this, have any queries, Shivani? Yeah, any
No,
doubts in this?
no, Omkar.
No. Okay, fine.
Actually, what I have done is only once we,
Okay, this one good, fine.
yeah.
Fine, guys. Did you practice that forms? And Hema, Ritu, guys, any queries?
Yeah, Unkar, so I worked on that table.
Hmm.
So I'm able to merge columns, but for the pay bill and all the information which will be in the same row without any background lines.
Hmm.
I had I have that background lines. I tried rows and columns, but it didn't merge.
You want borders, right?
No, no, I got everything.
Hmm.
Uh, can I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, you can, you can.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. I have all the rows separated,
Yeah,
pay
yeah. So
to
actually,
billing.
yeah, Hema,
Yeah,
you should take in that one TD only. In that pay to, you have to take these all things.
one table.
Hmm. In that TD only, TD only.
Okay,
Yeah, after pay to, you can take paragraph, and that you can take that address. No, you take again number of columns, number of rows.
I, okay, so we are here.
Hmm.
Within one row, we have to take all this you're saying.
Yeah, yeah. Directly you can take paragraphs only. No need that rows and columns.
Okay, just paragraph.
Just paragraphs only.
Yeah, yeah, that is what my confusion was. Okay, yeah, that's all.
Otherwise, you
I
can use
can.
any element. You can normal text or you can use break also automatically one by one.
Okay,
That is only one TD only.
yeah, yeah, that was my question. I tried using rows and everything for that.
See,
Yeah, got it.
here Shivan did like this, right? See, like this. Same. This is only one TD only. Enter one TD.
Okay. Yeah, I thought to do the paragraph, but I didn't. I didn't remember you using paragraph. I didn't refer, but I didn't
In the
remember you
table tab,
using
you can use
paragraph back.
anything. In the table tab, you can use anything.
Yeah. Okay.
And Ritu, have any?
Uh, no, but only simple clarification I need. Uh, in tables, we have T body, T head, and T foot
Hmm.
tags.
Hmm.
If we use them, it is not affecting the table.
No, no, it won't affect it. See, actually, those are semantic tags. These are HTML5 tags. So we'll discuss
Okay.
later next session. Today we will discuss. And actually, in that HTML5 onwards, we are going to add some new tags like header, footer, section, aside, article. So it won't affect on the output, but the naming convention is the only.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for the
I
naming
know.
convention, that's similar as we are going to design HTML5 onwards. So if you are use table body, T body, T head, T footer, you'll get the same output, and without your same output. But for you can easily understood that good what we in the table body and what table head and table footer, and again we have to use table head, tr, th, tr, td like that only.
Okay.
But that is the HTML5 structure, 5 structure. And same way
Okay.
yesterday we discussed in the forms, the normal HTML input text what we have and 5 onwards what we have. Same like.
Okay. Yeah, I was absent today yesterday's class. If you
Actually, I will
share
share you
that
guys.
one.
today I will definitely share you. We record the session is all recording the first
Yeah.
session onwards. No need to worry about. But
Okay.
you just
Yeah, I
complete.
have done assignments till tables.
Hmm.
Yeah, yesterday's assignment is pending.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it, Monica.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. And
Yeah, thank you.
so so these are only guys main tags, like these are only guys like basic tags for navigation, for anchor tags and images, list, tables and forms. These six tags are very important. And next we have some media tags like how to insert audio video map also we can use. And so we have a frame sets also, but now we are not using that frame set, guys. I will show you that roughly. Like suppose if you want to open a number of pages into single page, see, suppose we have one page like this, guys, right? And this page we are going to divide into two rows like this, like 50-50, suppose like this, right? So and here in that first row I want to open one page, and second row I want to open one more page, guys. So in general it won't possible, we can't open two pages in that single page, it's not possible, guys. But using frame sets it will possible. Using frame set, actually this frame set we are not using. Instead of frame set, in HTML5 onwards we are using iframes, guys. So I will show you both. So frame set, suppose first I am going to divide into first this page into number of rows. This is my page, guys. So this page we are going to divide first two rows. So row like this, okay. And so here, guys, two rows, right? In the by default the first the pages will default, you will get 100 by 100% by 100% height and 100% width you will get, guys. So we are going to divide two rows, right? And first rows how much percent we are getting, guys? Approximately how much percentage? That row one, like just approximately like 20%, right? And remaining like row 2 80%. And we have to take one frame set, we should divide like row wise, that is like 20% and 80%, guys. So to divide like this we have to take one frame set. We are going to divide like rows wise, rows like how much percentage you want, you can divide 20% and 80%. That frame set is closed. And next, so the for the two first we are going to add one page source, guys. For that we are going to take frame source is equal, you can add any file here. In the 20% you will open welcome.html. I'm going to open welcome.html, and remaining 80%, guys, here the remaining 80% I am going to divide into two columns, guys. Here I am going to take one more frame set, and that frame set we are going to divide into two columns, guys. So suppose just a second, guys. Background. Here, call one something like 30%, and like here call to like 70%. Guys, so here so the 20% will going to occupy this one, guys. And next for 80% I am going to take one more frame set, that we are going to do calls wise, guys. So frame set we are going to do calls wise, like like how much percentage, 30% and 70%, 70%. In that 30%, first we are going to take one frame, guys, and source suppose here I am going to add one menu file, guys, menu.html, and remaining 70% I am going to take one more frame, guys. Now here the source is empty, but this This 70% I'm going to one name, guys. Name like demo. Can give any name. I'll show you why I'm giving name. And next. So simply, guys, this is the frame set. First we are going to do 2 rows wise. So the 20% will going to occupy this well-conduct HTML, guys. And next, that 80% we are going to do one more frame set. And again, that calls we are going to main.html will going to occupy 30% of this, and remaining 70 will go into occupy next frame. So like that we are going to divide, guys. So guys, here the entire body we are going to do number of frame set, right? So that's why in this file, in this .html file, we did not use body tag, guys. No body tag here. So body tag, we did not use body tag here, guys. Simply we did not use body tag here. Guys, understood now the frame sets? I will show you practically. Here I am going to open index.html. Shivani, Hema, guys, you understood, right? That frame set clear now. So in single
Yes, sir.
number of frames we are going dividing, guys. Okay? So directly I am going to do that HTML. I will show you, if I use body, what will happen, I will show you. So I am going to add the frame set. We are going to do into first rows wise, like how much percentage, 20% and 80%. In that I am going to take one frame and source like welcome.html, but the file is not complete later, and that is we are going to add to that 20%, and remaining 80% we are going to take one more frame set. So that would be we are going to do calls wise, guys. So like 30%, you can give any percentage. Next frame set like frame source like we are going to add like menu.html. I'm going to take one more frame set. So the source is empty. Next, for this 70% I'm going to one name, guys. Name like name. Now see, you will get like this. Guys, you got it now? Same set you got it, but there is no valid.html, there is no valid.html. That's why you will get file disable. Right? So next we are going to add that files, guys. But we are getting that structure right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Suppose if I use a body tag, see what will happen. If I use body tag, it won't divide, guys. It won't divide. So that's why in that frame set you did not use that body element, guys. So directly you can use frame set only. And next we are going to get that welcome.html, guys. I'm going to create welcome.html. So in this file you can add it, guys. See, guys, you will get like this. You got it now, guys? HTML like this. So in that 20% we can add. Suppose if you have more content, we can drag like this and you can use it, guys. We can use that content. We can we can use that content, guys. and I'm going to get one more file like main.html. Okay, I'm going to one menu, guys. From menu I'm going to one another list. So by default, and when I'm click onto the home, we need to open one home.html file, guys. So for that I'm going to get one more file, that is home.html. So this is my home.html. So like this I'm going to one more file, guys, about.html. Okay, just I created two files, guys, home and about, right? And we are going to link here only. So when you click onto the home, you just open home.html. When you click onto the about, you just open about.html, guys. Just navigate like this. Now see, what is it? When you click onto the about. But guys, when you click on this home, that home.html page, this page you should show me in the right side, guys, in that 70% you given one frame set na, in that you can show me, guys. Any idea, guys, how can we navigate this frame set from here to here
Target.
using target?
Target.
So we can use the target. So we know already how to open new tab, that is target underscore blank, we use already in that links. So here we have to use target, that give the name, guys. Target is equal like demo. Target demo. Now see, so home about like this, guys, understood now? Like this you can see number of frames, guys. You can get like this using frame sets. So actually in this frame set we used in earlier, guys, not we are not using. So instead of this we are using that frames only, iframes, so guys. So guys, if you have time, you just create like this, guys, like suppose if you want, you can show any page also here. Suppose in that 70%, I'm going to show one more file, like suppose Java T file, guys. So in that index, in that 70%, we are going to open that Java T file. Now see, you can browse Java T file and menu and welcome 3 5 at a time, guys. In that one. Guys, understood, right? Home will come, about will come. Like that we can navigate this. Targets demo. So click on the home will come, about will come, service, there is service, and Java deploy, you can Java deploy also. So like that we can navigate. Guys, understood now frame sets?
Yeah.
So actually,
Omkar, just a happy query.
yes.
Like the target has predefined values, right? can we give like that? You have given demo as a value.
Mm. Demo is the name attribute.
Name attribute. Okay. Yeah, I'm little.
Suppose,
Okay.
see, yeah, Ritu, suppose I have a structure like this. I will show you. I have, and this page we are going to divide into like 50-50, two rows, guys. So, so we are going to four frames, 50-50, 50-50 like that. And first I am going to show you that welcome.html. Welcome info, guys. Okay. And second one that is empty. And third we are going to add some links, guys. You just add some links. Home, like about, like services, and that. So when you're shit. So when you click onto the home, you just navigate to that frame 2, guys. About services. Suppose when you click onto the home, you just show me that home content in that frame 2. So about, just show me the about content in that frame 4. Okay. In these cases, we should assign one name to that frame 3 2. For frame 3, you give the name like F2 or something, frame 2, and frame 3, frame 4, like that. You can give the names. When you are click, you just navigate. You understood now?
Yeah, yeah.
So that entire frame we give the name, so we can target that like that also.
Okay.
And we can target any element also, like
Okay. As I read, we have that only four values: self, blank for a tab.
by default self only, na.
Yeah.
Just name is in a self, blank for new tab, new blank
Okay.
page. Okay. Parent
Oh,
means it will open on top of the frame only.
okay. Okay.
Like,
Yeah. Okay.
you
Okay.
understood,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, got it. I got it. Yeah.
Like that. But in actually this frame set only we are not using. Just for idea, I will give you guys. Let's see. I will show you some HTML frame set. So it's not supporting HTML, not supporting HTML5 onwards.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why we are not giving like that. Just for idea only, I will
Okay.
show. So same. So to divide like this, we just use in 5 onwards iframes.
Okay.
So here you can use body element, and using iframe we can add audio, video, map, everything, guys. See? So iframe, just like image only, source. In the source you can add text, not HTML file, text files. So audio, video, everything you can add it, guys. uh, so you can give the how much width you want, like suppose 600 pixels, and height like 300 pixels. How much you want, you can add. That's up to you only, guys. Okay. And here just I am going to add that welcome.html here. Welcome.html. So this iframe is the inline element here, inline element, guys. Okay. And next frame we are going to add something like about.html, and next frame for menu.html, frame 3, and frame 4 home.html, guys. See, maybe like same now. Guys, you understood, right? Same, right? Using iframe. And see here we are going to get that Java T part also. Guys, you got it now?
Yeah, yes, uncle.
This is the
Yeah.
iframes. This is the iframes, guys. Now we are using this iframes. And here also we can give the target also. Suppose, yeah, I'm going to open home menu, right? Menu. Uh, so you just navigate to like what is that? Frame 2 and this about like frame 4. F4. Okay. Here I'm giving the names, guys. So this is the frame 1 and this is the name like frame 2. You just use name attribute and give the name like F2 frame 2, and this is the frame 3 and this is the frame 4, guys. Here you can navigate using target also. Here also you can use target attribute frame 4. Now see, you click onto the home will open here. This is the home page, guys, and click onto the about will open frame 4. Guys, you got it now?
Yeah, yes, uncle.
Hmm. So like that we can use iframes, guys. Frames and iframes. Frame sets and iframes. Clear, right?
Yes.
So guys, if you have free time, you just design like this, guys. Okay, you just have it like this and this for like your assignment. Just for practice only, just okay. And next we are going to discuss about that audio, video, and map, guys. Audio, media types like audio, video, and map. So audio source, SRC. You can use that audio source, guys. And if you want control, you can use controls also. Like controls means you will get that play, pause, next like that buttons, guys. You will get that play button. You will get, guys, controls. And controls is equal to controls only. And both ways we can write that. We can use like this. And if you want play autoplay, you can use autoplay attribute also, guys. But this autoplay is not supporting right now. The latest version won't support it, guys. Earlier the old version is supported, so you only can try once. So I'm going to show one audio file. Just copy that source and you can add here. That's it, guys. You will get that audio. So like that you can press. And audio is the one of the inline element, guys. You can use break element. And we can write directly like this also. Controls is equal to controls and autoplay is equal to autoplay. Both are same, guys. So like that we can add it. And if you want to get videos also, we can same like videos also. Video. The video have extra attribute. We can change the source, guys, like org or mp4 WebMR. We have different types of video extension, right? You can add that one. And next remaining attributes like the video, how much width you want, width attribute here you have to mention that width attribute, and height also. height like 300 pixels. So you'll get like this. There is no source, right? We need to add that source. But air fan. So guys, sample that web. So guys, you'll get like video like this. By default you will get that full screen attribute also. This is about video, and we can write one more type of video, guys. We can write like using source tag also. We can write, see, video source. There is source, video height, width, and controls. And video close, and here we just use source tag, guys. Source src is equal that. And we can use type attribute also. Here type is equal to video type, web app. So like this we can use. Both we can use, guys. And by default you will get that full screen attribute also. Video type. Guys, understood now?
Yes.
Yeah.
And using iframe also we can, guys, say iframe source width 500 pixels, 300 pixels. Here you can add that sample. Like this again, both are same. We can add that audio file. You can add that audio source also. So guys, like that we can add audio, videos, and maps. Audio video. This is your local, right? Suppose if you want to add any like YouTube videos also, we can, guys. You just select open YouTube. You can select anything else, like any. You can play any.
My job.
And you just click on share button, guys. You can listen carefully. Click on share button, and here you get one link. Don't take link. Okay? Here you have a embedded. On top you have a embed tag. Click on embedded. You will get iframe tag, guys. By default you get iframe tag. You just copy the tag and you can paste where you want. So like that we can add. Like this, guys.
Yes!
In iframe tab we have to mention this this title, frame, borders are no need, guys. And we need but allow full screen attribute. these are, but we need that. Suppose if I remove allow full screen, see what will happen. It won't allow that full screen, guys. See, it won't allow.
Yes!
The full screen is not available, guys. So if you want full screen, you have to apply allow full screen in that frame. So this we have to navigate on the videos, YouTube videos. And suppose if you want add any Google Maps, guys, you just go to the apps, select the maps, and you can select the address, which address you want to integrate. This is maps. So this is the address, guys. You just click on menu, same option here also, guys. Here share or embedded map, share or embedded, and you just select embedded only again. Okay, you just copy that address and you can paste. So automatically you will get that map. Guys, like this. Guys, clear now?
Yes, Shankar.
Yes, Shankar.
Audio, video, map, everything clear, right? Iframe.
Yes.
Yes, Shankar.
So these are all, guys, and so we have some other new tags here, like semantic tags or meaningful tags. We are going to use the HTML5 onwards. Those are, see, for naming convention, mainly for design purpose, mainly for naming convention. Okay. Suppose if you want to create any header tag, we just use one heading and we have to write like this, guys. Okay, and to create any navbar, we just use one another list, and we need to add properties, and you will get like this, guys. This is like a navbar, and here I am going to one footer, guys. For footer, just for view, for footer we just add one paragraph and we add some content now. But so if you are open your code, you won't get which is where is you have the header, where you have the footer, where you have the sidebar. We don't know, guys. So that's why in HTML5 onwards we are going to add some new tags, guys. For naming, we can clearly you can find out the element. Suppose this whole thing, that header part and this navbar part, we are going to import into the one header tag, guys. That is the header tag, not head tag, guys. Header tag, we have a new tag, is it is the header. This whole section we just going to put to that header section, header. So if you did not use that header also, we can get same output. There is no difference, but naming convention is very clear, guys, in forwards. So these are our HTML5 tags. So this is like a footer tag, right? And this navbar have one element, one name, that is the nav tag, guys. Without nav also we will say, but like that. And if you want to create any sidebar, like sidebar, this is a sidebar now. So for sidebar we just use aside tag, guys. So what are the content we are going to insert the sidebar now? We just use aside tag. We just for naming purpose only, guys. Semantic tags or meaningful tags, you can say. It's just like a sidebar. And if you have main content, we are going to use number of sections, section tags, main tag and session tags. Section tag, And if you have any write any article, we just use paragraph, some content content. Instead of article we just use paragraph only, but in 5 words we just use paragraph tag. And if you have any address and any summary or any measurements, or we just use this directly elements we have, guys. If you want, you can use that one. So for this article we just use, we have a article tag, and for address we have a address tag, we have summary, we have summary tag. So like that, measurements have a meter tag. So like that, we have so many new tags we are added here, guys. And next we have a div tag also, guys, like division. So in if we just use div tag, so everything we are going to do into one division only, guys. So we just use div tag also. Everything we are going to add in the division only. Like that we are going to add number of division. Div is the one block level element, guys. Suppose see, guys, I'm going to open Gmail. So everything we are going to use the div tag only. Suppose right click and inspect. See also this icon content, guys. So just right click and inspect and see, guys. So you have a div, everything, you see, guys, everything with the div tag, div. Everything we should keep it to that div tag. Div is the block. So this entire page we are going to divide into the number of divs. In that you can add your image or paragraph or heading or anything you want, you can add in that div element. So we are going to divide into the number of divisions, like a div using div tag, guys. And suppose, guys, if you want design any, suppose if you want design like this, guys, suppose one image and one content, image and image title, image and this is the image title, guys. To design this one, so we just use just image as our source and one paragraph or one something content, and you can just design like this one. But same design in 5 words we just use one figure tag, guys. Figure we did not use it, but in 5 words what are the new tags we had, we just we need to know, guys, like what are the new tags. For image, same, for image you just use image source only again, okay. And next that caption we just use bigger caption. So to design like that we just use this much of length, guys. This is the figure tag, new tag. Just now Hema, I think Hema, right, you asked on a table body, T body, same like only. So you will get same output. If you are using figure tag, you will get same output, and if you are using image tag, you will get same output. And coming to the, guys, understood now, image and figure tag.
Yes, Shankar.
And so coming to the tables, so we design table like this only, na, table. Just use tr and th. And one more row, which is like a td. So we used to develop table like this one. But same thing in 5 words we have to take one table body, table. In table we have a T body, guys, table body, T body. Nothing you will get, but we have one structure, the new structure will be in that 5 words, table body. And head we have to use T head. So again we have to take the tr, tt, same thing, guys. So the extra new tags add in the 5 words like this. So now the table structure in 5 words we used to write like this, guys. That is the table body, t head, th, like that. You understand, guys?
Yes, Shankar.
So like that. And even we discussed that forms also, no, guys. Like in forms also we discussed, no, the new types what we have, like like email, like URL, like date, like time, month, like week, date, local, tell, number, color, range. Okay, so like that new type, so many add guys. These are our HTML5 and words we are using. So simply guys, I will share you one cheat sheet. You just go through that, you will get everything guys. See, you get so many things like this guys. I will suggest you this one. You just easily can use some briefly some definitions and everything you will get guys. And what are the new tags we are using in real time. So this is the one small cheat sheet guys. You will get everything this. Okay, guys, clear now?
Yes,
Yes, Omkar.
So this is nice. Guys, will you join tomorrow?
yeah, we'll join.
Actually, we have a session Monday to Friday only, and if you guys are ready, I will take the test.
Yeah, yes, I'm ready. I have no problem, but I don't know about others. I can join.
Yeah, maybe I'm unable to join Omkar tomorrow.
Not able to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about Hema?
I can join Omkar.
Okay. 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 No problem. We have, and tomorrow we'll start the CSS guys.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And you guys have this all practice and suppose if you guys are joined, we will discuss tomorrow 2 hour session guys. If you guys are okay.
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
And Hema?
Yes, Omkar.
Okay. Okay.
And you will share the recording
Yeah,
session.
yeah. See, here we are recording everything. We are recording, but I will share it tomorrow.